Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Game Bar enabled, Crosshair X installed, and overlay permissions granted. Open the Game Bar with Win+G now so you can work in context. Once done, add Crosshair X as a widget and load a default profile to get immediate visual feedback. You do this so you can place and test the reticle while the tool is active. It prevents guesswork later. Make sure to allow background recording and overlay access so Crosshair X can render in-game without interruption. Now configure the overlay. Pick a color and style that contrast with most maps, then tune size and opacity so the crosshair aids aim but doesn't block targets. Use precise numeric offsets or drag the marker to the exact screen pixel you want and lock the position to avoid accidental moves. Next, bind a toggle key so you can enable or disable the crosshair in full-screen games. This flexibility lets you switch between tools and prevents interference with HUD elements during tense moments. Finish by saving distinct profiles for each game or weapon loadout so you can swap quickly. Test the overlay in actual gameplay and tweak offsets, thickness, or aim point per weapon to match recoil and sightlines. Make sure the Game Bar and Crosshair X are allowed to run in the background. If the overlay doesn't appear, check that Game Bar recording and overlays are enabled, run the app as administrator, restart your PC, or whitelist the overlay in any anti-cheat or security software. This is the single most useful troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.